responsibility as a Estonian sauna manufacturing company is to carry the torch of bringing Estonian culture, Estonian traditions, giving the best sauna experience a person can have.
As Estonian, it's important to make great saunas when we export our saunas into the world. One key figure is to carry on Estonian culture and sauna traditions.
Northern Saunas is a tailor-made partner for us because they help us bring saunas to the North American people and really carry the torch in terms of the Nordic culture.
Northern Saunas, they know about our sauna culture and the knowledge with the Nordic type of saunas and want to give that same experience to Canada and the US markets.
They are a partner whose vision, whose ideas match with ours, and they have so much knowledge about the saunas as whole, sauna industry. So it's a pleasure to work with people who have the same ideas, the same goals, the same mission.
I think the standard of sauna cell is simple. You have to build every sauna like your own, and then the quality and the outcome is very good. Sauna is a very good place. You go there, you relax, you shut down everything else, and when you come out to sauna, you're a different person. I don't imagine life without sauna.